Okay. Shafia can do. You can do. You must believe you can do. Paper 2, you must really believe you can do. You must believe you can do. This one now for containers. No. One container. This one, maybe Putra have to do your secret thing that's now. One container can fill in this amount. One container. Now they want to have 4 containers. And they're asking you, how much can it be filled? Why did they tell you to the brim? Because they want you to know it's full. Fill up to the fullest. And not half tank, half full and all. It's all filled up fullest. When you fill up one, it's 8. This one oh yes, 8 liters and 8 and 3/5 liters. This one, same thing. 8 3/5 also. This one, 8 3/5 also. So 8 3/5 also. Please do it and go. Come on.
This is times, right?
Yes, times. But you don't need to change everything to improper fraction. Never mind. You try first. You try. You try. In fact, do you know you can use calculator for paper 2? You can use. But of course, if you try to calculate on your own, it's even better. This question is quite easy, but you can use a calculator for this one. You can use because it's paper 2. But you must know how to do this. Let us see. We have an answer now. Kashril, yes, Shafia, please take something you can. Well done, Putra. Putra has gotten the answer. Well done. So Putra, while waiting for the rest, you will do question number 3. Okay. The rest don't need to do question number 3, but I'm gonna let's see. Hold on. And okay, so that Putra can do question number 3. Let me push it up. Putra can see, right? Okay, the rest come. Now you understand, right? Naomi, one container. Huh? You have not even read the question. You see, you don't know what to do. They don't give up so fast. Remember, to paper 2, you have to believe.
No, I see how to do.
How to do? How to do means I cannot do. That's what you're saying. You can do. You think first lah. While the rest are thinking about question 2, you think about question 3. I'll come back to you. Average. Average ton. Total. Average number. Naimi, you know how to do question 2, Naimi? Why you look so sad, Naimi? Somebody, adik disturb you. Ustaz Shafia went to somewhere. I do not know where she went. Okay. Putra, you know, remember the formula for average? What is the formula for average? Average equals to?
Ton.
Ton. Average equals to? Total.
Total.
Divide by?
Divide by A and N.
A and N. Okay, so you remember ton lah, A and N. Okay. Now what you want to find? You want to find number? You want to find total? You want to find what? What you want to find? You read the question, you tell me what do you want to find?
I want to find the average cost of the file was $4.
No, but what you want to find out here? This last part, what they ask you?
How many file did she buy?
So is it total? Is it average or number?
Average.
No, average they give you already.
Total.
Total they give you total and tak baca lah this boy.
N.
Total, N lah number. What's the formula for N?
Time.
No, just you remove this. You see, forgot this guy not paying. Total divided by average. That's all. Can you see now what I do? Can you see what I do? So you can just do that. Okay, come.
So you
Naomi.
262 divided by 4.
Yes, that's it. That's how simple it is. Okay. Now we come back to Miss Naomi and Miss Shafia. So one container can hold this amount. You want to know 4 containers, you must times 4 lah. That's all. Just need to do times 4. Now how to do times 5? We're going to ask Putra, how did he do this? Use a calculator, Putra. Okay, how you do this one? I show you one method, okay? You take 8 times 4 first. This one is the fastest method. 8 times 4 is what? What's the answer? 8 times 4, anyone?
Make this.
Huh? 8 times 4, 32.
2.
So now what we do, we take this 8, you times by 4 first. Then we take 3/5, you times by 4. Times by 4 also, both times by 4. And then you plus together. So 8 times 4 is 32. Then the next one, 3/5
3.
times 4. Then you plus, this one we bracket up, okay? Down here, if you're confused, you say, how come got 32? We are going to do the same thing. And this one, why do we do it this way? This is less messy. 8 times 4 down here. You can do like that. Your teacher may not teach you this method, but this is actually a better method. 8 times 4, you get 32. And then you got to plus this one. Plus what? Okay, let's see. Now you mean, Shafia, I hope you understand. Now down here, how to times? Take top, you cannot cancel top times top, 12. Bottom times bottom, 5. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 1 is 5. Now, what number is this? You got to do the long division down here. You got to find out what is this. So I get 10 down here. 10 divided by 5, get 2. Okay, then you minus what you get. I get 2. So what is this number? This number is the 12, 2 holes. Down here is 2 holes, right? Remainder 2 on top here. 5. And now easier to plus. Can you see now? 32 plus 2, 34. 2/5. You know how to do it, right? Naomi can do it, Naomi. I mean, Shafia, you know how to do the method, this method? Now, some students say, I want to change this improper fraction. Very big number. Do you change by improper fraction, Putra? You change 8 times 4, 5, 40 plus 3, 43. You can also do by this method, 43 over 5 times 4. But you get very big numbers. You can also do by this method. But this one is neater. Why? I think whole number times whole this. But this must be one whole number, it cannot be fraction. In fraction, you cannot do this method, okay? Okay. If you feel safer, you use your method like that. This is the old school method. This is a faster method, but there must not be a fraction here. Okay, the next one, Putra, what's your answer for the next one? 252 divided by 4, what do you get?
I already send you.
Oh, send me. Okay, Naomi, let's see. Naomi, 43 over 20. That one, if you divide, Naomi, you know how to do it now? Yes, I just showed you, right? Okay, let's see now. 252, you get 63. 240, 60. Well done. Well done. Okay. Now, you try now. We ask you what is angle. We ask Shafia, can you label what angle they want us to find? Listen, X, Z, W. What is this angle? Where is the angle, Shafia? Can you chonting on down here to show us where is this angle? See there? I cannot see her ball. Too small, this girl. Shafia, chonting on the screen, Shafia. Okay, the rest yours. Try answer for this one. Oh, down, we mark down here, down here. Yes, that's the angle. Correct. Well done, Shafia. Well done. Okay. This one. So how to find? You're fine. They say they didn't give us any angle. They give you this. They tell you this one. You know what they tell you this one? They give you already. You must be able to find this. You must be able to find this. Amy, don't cry, Amy. Sonia met some, don't cry. I met some, she wants to cry. Okay, I will help you label. Equilateral, Putra, how many degrees is this? Equilateral, how many
90.
degrees? 30.
90.
Not 90 lah, right angle is 90. Equilateral means all sides are the
This
same.
is angle.
Right angle, okay, right angle down here 90. But equilateral, this one, Okay, this one we are finding for this angle. We don't need to chonting that. After the rest now will become confused now. How come there's so much? Okay, now you tell me now, what is this angle here? This one on your Putra. How many degrees? How many degrees? How many degrees? Or Naomi, you know how many degrees,
What?
Naomi? Equilateral. Equilateral, all the angles are the same. How to find this angle? How to find this angle? You know. Take 180 divided by 3 because all the three angles are the same. What do you get? 180 divided by 3. 180 divided. To get the equilateral triangle angles. Equilateral means all three sides are the same, all three angles are the same. Take 180. Why 180? Because all the three angles add up to 180. Divide by how many angles? There's 3 angles in a triangle, not 4. So you get 60. Oh, this one is 60. This one is 60. This one is 60. Now you can find now. Please, solve it, please. Come on, come on. You can find the blue angle now. You can find the blue angle now. You can also find the green angle now. If you can find blue and green, that means you can find the other one. Come on, come on. Naomi, can you find the green angle? Husna Shafia, can you find the green angle? Come on, find the green angle, green angle. Come on, green, green, green. Anybody, please, come on. Come on, come on, come on. This is 180 degrees, a straight line. Okay, since no one is answering, I got to go through now. How to find this green angle? 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60. This is straight line. Straight line is 180 degrees. How do you know straight line 180 degrees? You draw a straight line, you can put 290 degrees. 90 plus 90 is 180. Cannot see screen. Alamak. Really? Yeah. Naomi, can you see the screen? Shafia, you cannot see the screen. Maybe your viewing option, you press the viewing option. Can see not, Shafia? Cannot. Okay, then I will clear the screen and I will start again. Can see the screen now, Shafia? Shafia? Okay, means something is wrong, huh? Before the day. Now can, okay. So now, very simple, come on. You find this one, you know how much this is because this one is 60. 180 minus 60, 120. This one you can find or not? Of course you can find. You know that down here is 60. This one is 90. 90 minus 60, what do you get? 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60, you get 30 degrees. So how much is this angle? This is 120. This is 30. They must add up to 180. 120 plus 30 plus what equals to 180 degrees. Come on, you can do it, boys and girls, boy and girls. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can use your calculator, no problem. No problem. Huh? Yes. No problem.
Just 30 minus 60.
Not 30 minus 60. You don't get it. Down here, there's no, you tell me this is what? 90 degrees. Down here is 90 degrees. And then we know the equilateral triangle is how many degrees? 60 degrees each. Why 60? 180. So 90 minus 60, how much you get?
30.
This one is 30 degrees. So you must this plus this plus this is 180. It's angles in a triangle, right? Okay, now you just look at just one triangle. You don't need to worry about this anymore. You don't need to worry about this other triangle. Just look at this remaining triangle now. The remaining triangle. So remaining triangle now you have 30. Yes, you can go, But I hope you know how to do, Naomi. You know how to do not? So just take 180 minus 120 minus 30. What do you get? Anyone?
180 minus 1.
Minus these two lah. Come on, boys and girls. Please, boys and girls. You can do.
180 minus 120 minus 30.
Yeah, yes, use your calculator. How much you get?
30.
30 degrees, well done. And that is your answer. This is 30 degrees. How do you get it? 180 minus this, and get here. And now we find it is isosceles. But we cannot assume it's isosceles earlier because they didn't tell us so. Okay? All right, now we move on now to the next one. Notice we are doing number. There's no. This one now. Bakery.
So what is this?
This one is all problem sums.
Oh, no. What is this?
What? 63. You wrote 63. Oh, which one? Hold on, let me see. A snake. You want to see? Oops. Oh. Okay, I better not show you those stuff. Okay, but I'm writing a book for Marshall Cavendish. You know Marshall Cavendish? You know, some of your books, my pals are here, Shaping Maths, those are published by Marshall Cavendish. So I'm writing books for the primary 2 in a Stella program. So I was referring to some stories.
Maybe you can teach science.
Science? No, I don't. No, I used to teach maths and English and science, and then I teach maths and English, and then now I'm only focusing on maths because our community needs people to pass maths. English, I think all of you are passing, correct? No, hey, you're speaking English every day. How come can be failing? So you must you are passing, right? Okay, come on. At the bakery, you're wronging. Paid a total of $12.90 for a cake and 2 tarts. Kueh tart, tarts are 2 tarts. So might be. What is that? You are crunching. Paper. The cake was $2.70 more than each tart. So you need to draw a model like, okay, down is better. Now he's going to unmute himself. Don't unmute yourself. Funny sound. I also will mute myself. Come. Try this one. Draw a model. You may need to draw a model. Which one is cheaper? Make it one rectangle. And then draw a cake. Can? Shafia, you can.
Is it $12? $12.90 plus $2.70, then you get the answer, then you times 2.
No, you cannot do like that. You must understand what the question is saying. Okay, now this is total, you know. Total means what? All the 3 items. He bought 3 items. He paid, I don't mean to cancel it. He paid a total. Total means all of it. He paid $12.90. This is what he paid. All right? $12 for how many items? For 3 items. You say there's 1 cake and 2 tarts. So you can draw the model here. Now, which one is cheaper? Let us look. The cake costs more. So the tart must be cheap. So I draw 1 tart. This is 1 kueh tart. They want 2 kueh tarts. I draw 2 lah. Now this is 1 tart, another tart. Cake I must draw like that. Same thing, but I must plus $2.70. Must plus again. Now this is your model. You solve it then. Solve it. Come on. You all know how to solve model or not? Shafia, you know how to do this model from this you all learn from primary 3, primary 2, no model. All this is the same size, okay? Same size, huh? If I draw it inaccurately, same size. Although it didn't draw it same size, but it's supposed to be same size. How to do?
How to calculate?
Okay, so now first you must get rid of this thing here, this thing. So how? 1290 minus 270. What's your answer? Use your calculator, you tell me. How much you get?
12.90 minus 2.70.
Yes.
$10.20.
Good. Okay, see, 10 or 20 cents. Now, what is 1020? Now we already minus this, you know. And then after you minus this, these 3 units is $10.20. You know what to do now. Now this 3 is $10.20 because you minus the extra part. Now what you tell me what to do now? You find 1 unit, 3 units, 1020, 1 unit. 1 unit is how much? 1020 divided by 3, right? So what's the answer? 1020 divided by 3. You get $3.40. Let me see. Correct, right? $3.40, right? Yeah, I think someone has sent me $3.40. This is the cost of the tart, but they didn't say. Sure. Oh, yours on Friday, remember 6 o'clock? I forgot to send you your homework. Inshallah tonight I send. Now this is Nayumi's sister asking me. Friday. Okay. So now this is the cost of one tart.
Now 6 o'clock already.
Okay. Now then remember, what is the cake? The cake you must plus 270. So you plus 270 lah, 340 plus 270. You plus 270. You must not give up, okay, for problem sum. Because I see some of you, your focus now becomes lesser when it comes to problem sum lah. Because in your mind, some of you say, I give up lah. $6.10, that's the answer. No, okay, good. So $6.10. Notice, in half an hour, how many problem sums did we do? We did how many?
Half a question.
6, no? We started with number 1. I think we skipped 1, right? So 5 questions. So every week, if you come at 5:30, we can cover 5 questions, inshallah. Okay, I'll get the rest in, okay? The rest are coming in. No, don't let them in. Keep them out. Izzat here. Do we tell him? Okay, Izzat, Assalamualaikum. We are waiting for the rest. Let me call the rest, okay? Let me just give me 1 minute. You want to take your whatever stuff, you can take whatever stuff you want.
Okay.
Those of you who want to do a question, you can do this one. But the rest, I'm going to call now. Okay. Oh, you're going out on Friday. Okay. Okay. Then I will message your mom later. Okay. Next later, I'll message your mom. Maybe. Okay. Maybe I'll message your mom. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Kashmir enter again. Okay. Let me call the rest. Okay, Umaira. Okay, is she coming? Who else? Shalina. Okay. I think that's all right. One more.
No.
Okay lah, that's it lah. All right, maybe for Umaira, I need to call the mom. You all can try this question first. Izzat, try the question, Izzat. Ada orang tak keluar. Okay, We are going to start. Can we try this now? While we wait for the rest, we do one problem sum here. This is a percentage question. I know some of you may not have fully done percentage. Never mind. We try to recall what we can remember lah. Okay. You must find what is the price for the second candy bar and third candy bar and fourth candy bar. You are given 15% discount. So how much is 15%? You got to find out. That's the money you don't need to pay. You must learn about this because you're going to have dealing with discounts in the future. It cannot be you don't know, say I don't know, I don't care, I don't care, I don't know, I don't care. Then people cheat you. Are you going to say I don't care, I don't care? Now your bank balance now is zero. Say I don't care, I don't care. You cannot say you don't care. You still must know something, right? Now you may say 350. Let us see. Is the price after discount? So okay, we try. What about the rest? What about the rest? Anyone else? 350. But now they buy 4 candy bars. So how much is it, Naomi? Or is it Neris talking to me? I do not know now. Neris or Naomi? So you find out now what's 15%. 15% of 100. Over 100, sorry. 15% of 100 times $4. Okay, let us see whether you're right. So, but first candy bar, remember, is $4 now. Second candy bar, there's a discount. So you divide by 5, you get 3 over 20. Divide by, you can use a calculator, no problem, okay? Because divide by 4, divide by 4. So this is 3 over 5. How much is it, 3 over 5? This is, if you use a calculator, it's 60 cents. So you don't need to pay 60 cents for the second one. So how much must you pay? Well, $4 minus 60 cents. How much is it? 4 minus 60 cents. You can use your calculator again. It's $3.40. Not 350. It's 340. Amy. Okay, you just check again. It's here, 0.8. So $3.40 for the second bar. Second bar, third bar, fourth bar is 350. 350. 350. First bar, you must pay $4. First bar, $4, you know. So now you got to add that up. You can take 350 times 3, can, plus 4, can. So let us see. If it's 350, 350, 350, all of them, Naomi, then you're correct. But now you must remember the first bar is $4, Naomi. Yours is almost correct. Almost. You just a little bit, you miss. Hey, the rest didn't say answer. The rest say, I don't need, we are champion. Okay. So you plus 1 on here, 4, 5, 5, 8, 8 plus 6, $14.50. Almost there, Naomi. Naomi, almost. Well done. Well done. Good attempt. Okay, this is question number 7. You know, in your paper 2 is quite, question number 7. You know, there's 17 questions in paper 2, right? So you are doing number 7. Okay, now we're going to revise. Umaira, turn on the video, Umaira. Umaira, where are you, Miss Umaira? Stop playing hide and seek with us. Umaira, XD. Umaira. Hey, I'm shouting now here. Everyone in the house can hear me. Umaira.
I'm trying to on.
Okay, okay. Don't shout at me, lah. Why you shout at me? Shout at teacher. Just say nicely. I'm trying to on, okay? As if it's my fault, lah. How can it? So I will have message your mom to say, please check your daughter's computer. Okay. Now we'll start with paper 1, eh? Here we go. Ready, eh? Try your best again. No using calculator, eh? No using calculator. You can do this, okay? You can do this. Hello, assalamualaikum, Mr. Shakil. Okay. Okay, please send in your answers. Just send in answers by the chat, okay? Don't say it out, all right? Because we want everyone to be able to have a fair chance. But Naomi, well done. Huh? Keep on trying, okay, Naomi, until you get it. Wow, very fast. Very fast. Congratulations, Miss Shafia. Congratulations. Very good, Shafia. Congratulations, Putra. Shafia, well done, Shafia. Now you got to check. You have forgotten where it is. Now you got to check again. You got to check which one is the one place. Come on. Izzat, what's your answer, Izzat? We're waiting for you, Izzat. Umaira, are you there, Umaira? She gone. She no here. She no here. Okay, Izzat, well done. What about Shakil? Naimi, well done. Okay, here we go. We're gonna ask Shakil, which one is the one place, Shakil? Shakil, which one is the one place? Is it 2, 3, 1, 4, 9? You must know. Shakil, which one? No, the pressure. Which one?
3.
3, yes. You don't sound a Shakil, but yeah, you sound a softer form of Shakil. This is
Teacher.
1. Yes. This is
Teacher.
Shakil. Yes.
Is it 1,000? Is it thousands?
Yes, you are thousands. This is correct. So this is
Number 4.
tens, 100,000. Well done. So you must identify the ones. If you can't find the ones, you cannot find the answer. Remember, where's the ones? 1 dot, the number beside the dot to the left. On the left of the dot. Okay, well done. We move on to the next one. Which one has the same value of 1506 cm? Remember, 1 meter, how many cm are there? 100. 1 meter, there's 100 cm. 1 meter, there's 100 cm. Ashwin, congratulations. Okay. Naomi, congratulations. What about Izzat? Congratulations. Come on, Shafia. Come on, Shakil. And it's Umaira. And Umaira, come on. Very easy, yeah. You don't need to use a calculator. You just need to shift. Come on. 1506. You need to what? Divide by 100. Divide by 100. How many decimals do you shift? There's 1 0, there's 2 zeros. Shift 1, shift 2, put a dot down here. Ping pong. All right, down here. Ding dong. Okay. So 15.06 meters. Remember, you is 100 cm. Just move 2 decimal places. Here we go now. Ratio. You have done ratio, right? Let me see. Some of you whether this is tested.
I know to do.
Okay, please do. Let me see. Oh, ratio is not okay. Sorry. For some of you, this is not tested, so we're not gonna do. I'm checking now. Rate also. Some of you have not covered rate. Oh my goodness.
I already cover.
Percentage also. Okay, percentage covered now. Yeah, because some schools I'm looking now at Umaira's list. If you have your list
How about
next time.
mine?
Okay lah. Do you do this one? You do this one. You do this one. This one percentage. This is yours also.
You know my school, man.
You don't want to send me, ma? Send me.
I want. Riverside Primary School.
Mr. Shahid, my computer cannot on, so my mother said I need to restart the whole computer.
Never mind. You do it without the video. Never mind. We cannot see you. I'm just so sad today. I can't see you.
Okay, then
Because, okay.
okay, yalla, continue.
Riverside Primary School.
River, okay. So you can send me. Okay, but this one I'm yeah. Percentage is tested in Omaira's exam. Let us see. Shafia, you send the answer, right, Shafia? Okay, now you also send the answer. Let us see video, right? Okay. Congratulations to Husna, Shafia, Naomi, well done. Naomi, congratulations, Naomi. Husna, Shafia, congratulations. We just wait for a while more. And what about the rest? Kashmir, well done. Half a minute more, half a minute more. We give everyone a chance. Izzat, what about you, Izzat? Shakil, what about you, Shakil? Shalina, what about you? Well, what big specs you have? What big eyes you have, Shafia? So that I can see you better. And you know how I realized where I met you, Shafia? You were in the story of the Little Red Riding Hood with the scarf. The one met grandma, but not your grandma lah. Okay, come. Here we go. Those of you who have not sent in, I have to go through this. Now you must ask yourself, what is 100%? 100% is all the teachers in the school. 100%. So 100%, you can do your working like that. 100% all the teachers in the school. 120 teachers. Now you want to find 30 teachers. Okay, 30 teachers. Quite simple, right? You can find out what's 1%. You divide by 100, you can find out what's 1%. And then you divide by 100, you get 1%, right? Then this side you divide by 100, you get 1.2%. Alamak. Say divide by 100 of them. Remember you shift by what? You shift by 2 decimal place. 1, 2, you get 1.2. Now say 1%. Yeah, but never mind, don't worry, because we are finding out 30%. So from 1% to 30%, you times by 30. So down here you also times by 30. So 1.2 times by 30. Now 30 you can break it into what? You can break it to 10 and 3. You know I mean now here, 10 times 3 is 30. So I times by 10, I shift the decimal place by 1 space, I get 12, you know. 1.2 times 10, I get 12. Then times 3, I get 36. Those of you who say don't like this method, you want another method. Okay, I'll show you another method. Why am I showing you different methods? You must know different methods. Okay, here we go.
What about shortcut method?
Yeah, this method can 30 over 100. Is this the method? Times 120. You will also get 36. Also, you will get 36. Okay, so the answer is 36 for this one. Your shortcut method, which method? Is it one of these or another method? Same method, right?
The green color.
The green color, yes. Yeah, you divide. Then 3 times 12, 36. Well done. Okay, so we move on. Okay. Now you must believe you can succeed, and you must believe you can do. Do not give up, please. Do not give up. Okay, percentage of figure shaded. Remember, percentage. You must arrange this as a fraction first. Write it as a fraction, and how to change any fraction or decimal to percentage times by 100. Okay. Hello, Sharina. Welcome here. Very nice hair. Are you acting in some shampoo commercial? No. I'm just joking. Okay. But if you see Umaira's hair, she also special shampoo commercials. Umaira, you okay, Umaira? You don't sound like Umaira. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Yes, Mr. Yes, Putra.
Have you tried the I asked you to do?
What is it you asked me to do?
The popcorn.
Popcorn? No. I did not, because yeah, I add up all the. I add up all the corn. There's no more popcorn there. Okay, Naomi, let me check your answer in a moment. Oh, sorry. I have not shown you the whole down here. Naomi, you got to check your answer, Naomi. You must express it as a fraction first, Naomi.
So who's this? Who's Amira? Who's Umaira? Who's she?
No, because Myra's video is not working, so I think she's logging out. That's Myra. Come, try. You express as a fraction first, Naomi. Let me try again, Naomi. Right? What's the fraction of the shaded part
Sure.
to the whole number of squares?
Teacher.
Yes. Yes.
This square has 20, is it?
Yes, there's been total
Okay,
of 20
so-
squares. So, okay. Don't tell us. Don't tell us.
8 out of 20?
Yeah, but that's
Is it 8%?
fraction. That's fraction. In order to change fraction to
8%, is it?
no, listen. That is fraction. You to change fraction to percentage, you must times by 100. So what is the fraction? Okay, we ask Shahakil. Well, the rest Shafia also say 8. Okay, that means this is 8 out of 20. How you know 8? Okay, we count now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. There's 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 out of how many? Shaki counted as 20 is correct. Now, how do we know there's 20? What's the fast way of doing it? You count out how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 4, 20. So it's correct. And then what do we do? You just times by 100. You mean what? To find percentage must times by 100? Yes. Any fraction or decimal you want to change to percentage, you must times by 100. So you cancel 0, cancel 0. Can divide by 2, divide by 2. 8 times 5, 40. Well done, Shalina. That is one way. Another way, what's another way of finding a percentage? Remember, percentage is actually a fraction. Say what percentage fraction? Look at the percentage sign. This means some number divided by some number. But what is the percentage? The bottom number must always be 100. The bottom number must be 100. So if you can make a fraction of 100, that's your answer. 20 times what equals to 100? Times 5. So you times by 5, you will get 40. So the answer is 40%. So in other words, 40% means what? No? 40 over 100. Do you know that or not? Do you know that 40% is actually 40 over 100? This is fraction. This is in fraction, but this means the same thing. 40% means 41. Look, there's the number 100 here. Can you see now? 100. And then if you look carefully, one number over another number. Then 40 over 100. Okay, so it's 40% for this one. Eh? Let's move to the next one. Okay, down here. No. Son. Okay lah, you all try. Which one is parallel? Those of you who do not know the meaning of parallel, I want you to look carefully at the word parallel. They tell you what is parallel. Look, what is parallel? Parallel means two straight lines that don't meet each other. Yes, thank you. It's like a love story of two persons and they don't meet each other. It's a very sad story. It's a really sad story. They live together, they never meet each other. Maybe you're too young for this. Okay lah, forget it lah. No love story. Or maybe Umar, it's the story of two lovebirds. Like one of your pets, they don't meet each other. But yours, all the birds are in the cage, so it's not. You look very different now, Sumaira. This is like a grown-up girl. Shalina, you think Umaira looks very different now? Yes, huh? Don't know. Yeah. All right, let's see. Shalina has given an answer.
She looks young.
She looks young. Okay. All right, Shalina, your answer is correct. Well done. But they are not. No, you cannot say that, Miss Mara. Look, if you look carefully, the two lovebirds will be meeting each other as they travel along here. They'll meet each other, and then finally meet. Happy ending. No, we don't want happy ending. We want sad ending, Mara, where they will never meet. Okay, well done, Norizat. Well done. What about the rest? GH. But GH, they also meet
Teacher.
each other. Hold on.
Teacher.
GH, yes. Yes. See, they meet each other still. So it's also happy ending. We don't want happy ending, we want sad ending. Yes? What you say, Shakil?
I can't really see the words.
You can't see the words. Allah, okay. So down, okay, I'm going to enlarge. That means you tell me which are the two parallel ones.
What is a grid, Jack?
Grid is only square. Grid or square. Okay, let's say
It's
now,
parallel to AB.
I put now the,
Parallel, right?
Check, cannot see the answer.
who the answer?
Parallel means cannot meet right here.
Cannot meet. Yeah.
So it's CD.
CD. You look at CD. Okay, we should look at CD. Yeah. If you say cannot meet, let us see now. This is AB. CD, they meet lah. Look there, they meet lah. They meet means happy ending. We don't want happy ending.
And then
We want
let's try with HG.
HG, same thing. You see, GH. You go further. They will meet each other lah. I don't want happy ending. I want sad ending.
Okay. Okay. Then CD.
CD.
Okay. No.
Answer
Check.
correct.
PF.
Huh? PS.
So my answer correct.
EF.
Okay, wait. Yes, your answer is correct. PS. Where's PS?
EF.
EF. Yeah, this is a sad ending. Okay, don't cry. This is the ending. The two lines can never meet at all. Okay, this is parallel. Okay, remember, parallel means they can never meet. Okay, no matter how long they live, how long you stretch, they will never meet. Then what is this two? This two is what? They are meeting at 9. Oh, this is not 90 degrees. No, not 90. This is not perpendicular. Perpendicular must meet 90 degrees. Okay, well done. Okay, now why do I tell you about this love story and all? For you to remember, no? Sometimes you don't remember what's parallel, but you remember, oh, yeah, my tutor told me about what? About the love story. Then you remember that, you remember parallel. Okay, but don't be too sad, lah. Naimi, don't cry too much. Okay, some of you need to turn your head. Please turn your head. Izzat can do, Izzat. Izzat scored a goal, Izzat. Putra, you seem to be enjoying what you eating. Ice cream, ke apa? Ice cream.
What?
Are you eating ice cream?
Oh.
The way you're eating is so delicious.
That is one of my favorite food.
I see. Come. What about everyone else? Remember the formula: half times base times height. Okay. If you want me to rotate the figure, you want me to rotate or not? Some of you need to. No need. Oh, Izzat drinking lemon tea lah. Izzat, I like the lemon tea. Izzat.
Please rotate the figure.
Please rotate the figure. Okay. So, okay. So now I'm going to enlarge. Can you see the figure? I'm going to underline a clue here. You can find it. Okay, Izzat has sent the answer. Let us see. So sorry, Izzat. Please try again. Well done, Shalina. Congratulations, Shalina. Collect a present from your mom, Shalina. Okay. You know, right? You can collect a present for your mom. Kasriel, you got to check your answer. You forgot the formula. Some of you have forgotten what the formula is. So I'm going to write it down for you. Half times base. What is base? Base is the bottom. Okay, bottom times height. Okay. Now base. What is base? If you are sitting down, your base is your buttocks. I've told you this many. If you are standing up, your base is your feet. Now the base of the triangle is down here. How many cm is this, Putra? Naomi, you got to check. How many cm? Then they give you the clue down here.
8.
8 is the whole thing. This is a square. 8 is the whole thing. OA is half of AD. This is 8. 4. What is the height? What is the height? What's the height? 8. Now you must times half times 4 times 8. Come on, boys and girls. Okay. Half times, sorry, not 1/4. Sorry, sorry. You see, I'm saying something, I'm writing something. Half 4 times 8. Then you put it 1, you can cancel lah. Cancel. What you can cancel? I can divide by 2, get 1. I divide by 2, you get 2. 2 times 6, 2 times 8, 16. Come on, boys and girls, you can do this. Not so difficult, right? It's not so difficult. You can do this. Okay. By the way, just to let you know, do you know that these two triangles 1 and 2 are the same? Because the base is also 4 here, what? Okay. Do you know? Okay, this is additional for you to know. Okay, the base of this triangle is also 4. The height is 8. 4 times 8 divided by 2. 4 times 8 divided by same thing. Half times 4 times 8. Half times 4 times 8. So although it looks different, if the base is the same, the height is the same, it will be the same area. Okay, I'll go back. Okay, here we go. Let me just rotate it back. Aduh, I rotate wrongly lah. Sorry, yeah. I have to go for the course on rotation. Okay, okay, the one is on volume. Volume. They ask you how many unit cubes are there. You'll be tested on volume. Umaira, you'll be tested on volume. According to your list, you are tested on volume. So try. My suggestion is try by lapis. Lapis means you count this layer how many, this layer how many, this layer how many, this layer how many. Then you add them all up. Don't count 1, 2, 3, you get lost. Ustaz Shafia, very fast, Ustaz Shafia. Wow. Hold on, I'm myself calculating. Congratulations, Miss Husna Shafia. Congratulations, Umaira. Well done. What about the rest? Naomi, well done, Naomi. So far, all the girls, almost all the girls have given. Izzat, well done. Umaira, again, well done. Mana double lah? Yeah. Kashmir Putra, well done. Okay, means you all know already lah. Okay. Shalina, what about you? Yes, well done.
Give me
Yes.
10 minutes.
Not 10 minutes, apa 10 minutes? Everyone
Okay,
give
1
now.
minute.
No, come. We count together. Okay. This one got how many, Mr. Syakil? This top layer, lapis ni lapis. Berapa cubes?
Acha.
How many cubes?
Is it 21 je?
21, correct. 21 is correct. Yeah. So but we can count. This one is 3. This one down here is 3. This one down here is 3. Then the bottom one
Is
is
4.
4. Oh yeah. Aduh, I'm taking 4. I'm right. So sorry. Sorry. Thank you for correcting me. This one is 4. This one is 4. Ya Allah. You see, my mind is thinking one thing, I'm writing nothing. So that's also an error. Now the last layer, this one is okay. At the back of it is 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10. Okay. So you add together, you get 21. 10 plus 4, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 3, 21. Well done to all of you. Well done to all of you. So remember, you can do this. You can do this. This one now. Smallest to largest. This one you must understand the concept of fraction. Those who don't understand, I just draw for you 2 pictures on here. 1/3. It's like that. So this is the number of slides. 3 is the number of slides. 9. Okay, let's see now. Umaira. Well done, Umaira. Well done. Here I was saying, praising you. My cake become sengit bengit. Well done, Ayumi. What about the rest? What about the rest? Come on, you know. This is basic concept, eh? You must know. So notice 1 out of 9 is very small. 1 out of 3 is very big. Why? You are dividing the cakes according to slices. This is number of slices. Well done. Husna Shafia got a check. Husna Shafia 1/3 is bigger than 1/9, no? So they went from smallest to largest. You are giving largest to smallest. Well done, Shalina. Izzat, well done. Shakil, come on. Okay, Husna, yes, Shafia. Shakil, what about you, Shakil? The smallest is which one? 1/9 should be smallest, right? Because the slice is very small. Yeah. So which one?
Cannot see.
You cannot see. Alamak, how come you cannot see? Yeah. Now can see that.
Yeah.
Okay, now
1.3.
down here,
Apa smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest?
smallest to biggest, smallest to biggest.
I'll take 1 out of 3.
But
1
that's the
out of
biggest.
5.
That's the biggest. 1 out of 3 is very big, no? That means the cake you potong 3, no? 1 out of 9 is one cake you potong 9. Which one is a smaller size? Potong 9 is smaller size. So you
Okay,
must,
1 out of 9, 1 out of 7,
yes.
1 out of 5, 1 out of 3.
well done, well done, well done, well done. Congratulations to all of you. Eh? So be careful, okay? You must understand the concept. Eh? All this has relevance in your life. Eh? You cut birthday cake also is also that. Let me see, is this covered in your, hold on. Average, no. For some of you it's covered. Okay, decimals, yes. Okay. Now there's 2 ways of saying this name. One of the presidents of Singapore, he has passed away, his name is S.R. Naden. But if the name is an Englishman's name, you don't call him Naden. Eh? You call him Nathan. Just like if Adam and Adam.
Ismail and Ismail.
Ishmael and Ismail, yes. Okay, and what about what is the name? Jacob and the Muslim one is what?
Jakub.
Yaqub. Okay, good. So, Solomon and
Salman.
not Salman lah. Salman tu ikan lah. Sulaiman. Okay. Now let's see. Wow. We have
Singapore.
Singapore and Singapura.
Singapore.
Masih. Singapore. Aduh.
Teacher, I see my answer already.
Yeah, okay. I'm coming. I'm calculating my answer. So hold on, eh. Just one moment. You're too fast for me, Shafia. Now you're super fast, huh? Okay, let us see. Congratulations to Husna Shafia. Congratulations to Shalina. What about the rest? Izzat, is that your answer? You have given your answer, Izzat. Have you given your answer? No, not yet. Okay. Shafia, is maths getting easy now? No. Aduh. Putra, well done.
Kenapa?
Huh? You know Putra?
No. Where is Darka?
What's your name?
Darka.
Come on. The rest of you, we got to go fast. Chop. Very easy. 1 day is 0.45 kg times 30 days. Now, if you are, I can show you a faster way of doing this. If you find multiplying by 2-digit difficult, you change 30 to what? 30 can change to 10 times 3. So why don't, well done, Izzat. So you take times 10, then times 3 lah. Why do I like to have it at 10? So you can just shift the decimal place. So now 0.45 times 10, you just shift from here to here. You get 4.5.
Yeah.
Now 4.5 times 3 only.
So how's your name?
Yes, it is drizzling. So that
My one
notice. Sorry?
My one is really. It's not drizzling.
Not drizzling. Okay, so 13.5. 13.5 kg.
Really
Heavily.
cats and dogs.
Cats and dogs. Huh? Okay. All right, well done. Huh? If you can get 13.5, great. Again, notice how I times the 30. I break it to 10 and 3. You see how you get 10 and 3? 10 times 3 is 30. Okay. So you can times by 10 first, times by 3 first. You times by 10 easier because you shift the decimal place. Okay, we move on to the next one.
You say again because I don't understand.
Okay, so let's say now you want to times, let's say I have 1.7 times 20. So I want to make it easy for me, Myra. So what I do, I take 1.7. This 20, I can change it to what? What times what equals 20? 10 times 2 equals 20. So I will now break up, I have broken up the 20 to 10 and 2. So now, what do I do with the 10? When 1.7 times 10, you shift one decimal place. Because there's 1 0, you shift 1 0. So it becomes 17. Uh-oh. So now, what is the balance you need to do for your times multiplication here? 17 times 2. Because you already times 10 already, 1.7 times 10, you get 17.
Bye.
Then times 2, you get 34. You know how to do, Omara? This thing, you can divide it to 2 numbers. Ask yourself, 10 times what give you this number? And then you can use it to shift the decimal place. Okay, why don't I give you all a question on this? You all try to do. See how many you can do. Okay, if you can do many, great. Okay, we give you 3 questions. You must at least complete 1. At least. Here we go. Okay. 2.3. Don't say out answer. Just key in, so that the rest will be. You can try this one first, and then the next one is. This one you don't even need to write it down. You can do mentally. All these 3 sums you can do mentally. I say, huh? Yes. But never mind. If you need to write, you write. Naomi, well done, Naomi. First one to come in, question 1, please write question number 2. Congratulations, Ms. Naomi. Well done, Putra or Mr. Kashril. Well done, Husna Shafia. Next one, well done, Naomi. Well done, Husna Shafia. For number 2. Come on, Myra. Come on, the rest. Well done, Kashril. Husna Shafia, the last one. Well done, Husna Shafia. You are coming first. Get the prize from your brother. Naomi, got to check the last one. Got to check the last one, eh? Well done. No, Shafia, you made a small error. Putra, your answer is correct. Shafia, you forgot to times 2 to the 2.
You mean I get all correct?
Yes, you got all correct. You will get a prize from your sister. Shalina, well done. What number 2?
Yeah.
From your sister. You answer.
I already get prize. I already get prize.
What prize do you get?
I get 2.
Okay. So now, okay, Miss Umaira, down here now. What times what give you 30, Umaira? What times what give you 30? Use a 10. 10 times what?
10 and 3.
Times 3. So now 2.3 times 10. You shift one decimal place. What does 2.3 become? You 1 0. You shift. It becomes what? Become bigger number.
0.
Becomes what?
2.30.
No. You must shift the point. The point now it becomes
23.0.
23 point. We just leave it at 23. Okay, 23 times 3. Now down here, how to do it mentally? 2 times 3 is what, Myra? 2 times 3.
9. 2
That's-
times 3.
6. 3 times 3.
9.
Okay, that's your answer. You see, it's a very fast method. Umaira, the next one, Umaira. How many zeros we need to shift, Umaira?
2.
So we shift. What's your answer?
142.
142. Good. So now the next one, Umaira. This 200 we can change it to 100 times what? Give it 200
Times 2. No.
times 2. Good. Yes. Times 2. So now the first one the first one you have already done. 142 times 100 you already done. You got 142. Correct? There you see it. Now you need to times 2 now. So we can do mentally. What's the answer? Can you tell me what's the answer? 142 times 2. 1 times 2 is how much?
142.
142 times 2. 1 times 2. Well done, Shafia. 1 times 2.
2.
2. 4 times 2.
8.
8. Good. 2 times 2.
4.
Okay, that's your answer. So sometimes you can use this method. Sometimes you can use this method to do it very fast. You don't need to do your working sometimes. Sometimes cannot. Not today, Mr. Putra. You know why? Because exams are coming. So we need to focus like 100%. So the story, maybe we do it after your CA2 lah. Okay, can we try question number 14? 14. Izzat, can do Izzat? You can do this. You can do this. I can see you sticking out your tongue. I know it's delicious lah. Ice lemon tea. I also like ice lemon tea. See, he's licking his lips. So nice. Noisy lah this guy. Naomi, you gotta try again. You gotta try again. Ask yourself, he gave away 8 first and he gave away 12. How many marbles had he left? And then after that, you must make it a fraction. Fraction, yes, fraction means must be 2 numbers. Fraction, you must have 2 numbers. What are the 2 numbers? Left, you put on top. How much you have left on top. And well done, Izzat. And total below. Well done, Naomi. Congratulations. Left on top, total below. Okay. You know how much you get left. You know, you just need to calculate. Come on, guys and girls. Husna, Shafia, come on. Husna, Shafia, you are looking different and different. Huh? More and more like a kakak. She said, no. Why you cover the video? I do not want to see you, she says. Are you what time tuition end? 7 o'clock tuition ending. Why you ask that thing? Those who ask, I mean, when can I go? Come on, Shalina. Can do, Shalina. Shalina, are you there, Shalina? Yes. Umaira, come on, Umaira. Number of marbles left over total number of marbles. Very simple, very simple. Are you going out, Naomi? Shalina, Shalina, you found the number of marbles not left, but given away. Try again, Miss Shalina. What's the number of marbles left? What's the number?
6 out of 30.
6 out of, okay, what's the number of marbles left? You see, 30 minus what?
I meant, is it 26 out of 30?
26 out of 30, no. Let's find the number of marbles left. He got 30 marbles. He gave 8 away to George, and then he gave another 12 away. So when you minus this, how much you get? 30 minus 8, get 22. 22 minus 12 is 10. 10 marbles left. So you put the 10 on top. Total number of marbles is 30. So cancel the 0, 1, divide by 10, divide by 10. You get 1 over 3. Okay, what Shalina found is you found 20. Yeah, he gave away 20 marbles. So 20 over 30, that's fraction of marbles given away, 2/3. All right, but we are not talking about 2/3. We are talking about marbles left. Okay, question 15. Question 15 can be as tough normally in some papers as paper 2 questions. Let us see now. It may be. I'll give you a method down here. You can use your own method, no problem. Okay. B stands for back. Eh? Those who want to follow this method, you can also follow this method. This is like the comparison method. What do you divide? Divide by what? Then you must also divide by the same thing here. Right? Then after from here you times. Wow, now you very fast, huh? And then times. Sorry, not times. Sorry, what I was saying. Times. Yeah. Then you find the answer. Don't shout, lah, Mr. Putra.
What do you mean?
Oh, someone was shouting. That's all. Sorry, might not be you. Naomi, got to check your answer. Usna Shafika, you have given an answer that you got to check. I do not know whether you have given your answer or not. If you have given, Shafia, that's not the right answer.
What line after you do the arrow? What is that?
Sorry, what you said?
You know, after the 20B, and then you do an arrow, and then there's a little sign.
Okay. So down here now,
Oh,
how do you get to 10? You divide by 2. So you must also divide by 2 down here. So once you get from 10, you can go to 50 by multiplying by what? By 5. So you must do the same on the other side. You divide by 2 and then you times by 5. You will get the answer. This is called a comparison method. Huh? From 20, you divide by 2, you get 10. Then 10 times 5, you get 50. This one way. Congratulations, Shalina. Well done, Shafia. All right, okay. So if you divide this by 2, you will get 290, and this is given to you down here. This is given to you down here. All right, so 290. And then you times by 5, you get 1,450. One of you, after timesing by 5, multiplying by 5, you got 14,500. Be careful. Be careful. Huh? In fact, there's one way to check. How do we know that this answer is not correct? You see, if you multiply any number by 10, you just add a 0. So let's say now you multiply by 10. It becomes, 290. Oh, sorry. Yeah. From here now. If you multiply by 10, 290, multiply by 10 becomes 2,900. So you know if you multiply by 5, must be smaller. For you to reach 14,500 is actually to multiply by 50. So be careful, okay? The answer is down here. Maybe Naomi got the mistake because you multiply double, is it? Okay, it's supposed to be here. Multiply by 5. Okay. Now we are moving to question 16. Okay, you have to know this one. This one is divide. This is plus. Which one do you do first? Remember, I'm going to write the rules if you forget. You do the brackets first. After that, do times and divide. Or divide and times, depending. It's either times or divide or times. Which one do you do first? If you have both, do the left one first. Left first. Wow, finish it. And then the last one is plus and minus. Yes. Hold on, let me check. No, hold on. I'm calculating. You're very fast. You're easy. Gonzalez. Congratulations, Mr. Putra. You have come in first. Do you use a calculator, Mr. Putra? No, right? If you smile, that means you use a calculator. Hey, you cannot use calculator for this one, lah. Susna, Safia, please try.
I didn't.
Then I just saw you do this, you laugh at it. Then you put calculator in front of you. Well done, Shalina. Safia, try again. Is that careless mistake somewhere?
Teacher,
Yes. Yes, it's Akhil. Yes,
is
Mr.
it
Akhil.
96?
96 is correct. Well done. If you get 96, the answer is correct. Well done, Izzat. So now we are going to go through, okay? We are running short of time. So let's go through a little bit first. Yeah. Now the first thing we do? We do the bracket first. Remember, brackets must be done first. So you get 12. Then what do you do with the rest? You copy down. Copy everything down. When you do your working, never mind. This is the same method that you will use in secondary school. When you do algebra and whatnot, you have to do it like that. And then which one you do first? You got divide and times. You must do the left one first. 42 divided by 6 gets 7. Then 7 times 12, you must do 7 times 12 first before you plus. 7 times 12 is 84. 84. 84 plus 12 is 96. Well done, is it? Okay, 96. So let us review, okay? We do the brackets first. And then after you got divide and times, do the left one first. Some students say, no, you must do divide first. Because they say BODMAS, B-O-D is divide first, you know. Then multiply. No, not true. Not true. If let's say they give you this one times and then divide, you must times first. You must, if you have times and divide, you must do the left one first. Again, I repeat. With the times and divide, must do the left one first. Okay, we move on to the next one. We have 3 minutes more. Very good question. No using calculator, please. No using calculator. You have to do this by long division. Long division, like that. Okay, then you can check your. Oh gosh, let's give an answer. Let's see what is correct. Well done, Mr. Clashwell. Well done, Mr. Clashwell. Congratulations. Myra, almost there, Myra. your remainder 3 has to be divided somehow. You cannot say remainder 3 become 0.3, cannot. You must put the point, put the 3, put a 0, and try to divide somehow until you have no more remainder. Mara, you must continue dividing until there's no more remainder. Okay, I will show you in a moment. Huh? Shalina, can do it, Shalina? Of course I can. This is very simple for me. Okay lah, Shalina. How come your voice is so rough? I've taken some medicine. Oh. Okay, here we go. Umara, you can check this, Umara. Okay, you get 3 over here. Then you bring down the 0, 0 from the top cannot divide. You must put a 0 here. You bring down another the 3 here. 3 cannot divide. You must also put the 0. Now, do not say this is the answer. Don't say this. Cannot 0.3 like cannot. You must continue. How to continue? You see, you can put a dot here. And you can put a million zeros if you want. You want to put a million zeros, I can put a million zeros. But you don't need a million zeros. Now you bring down the next one. 30 divided by 4. 28 can, 28. Put 7 down here. You minus, you get 2. Bring down one more 0. 20 divided by 4, 5. You don't need to put any more zeros because that's the end of the story. Okay? Get it now? Well done, Umara. All right, we'll move on to the next one. Are you okay now, Yumi? Yes, sir. Okay, so yeah. Remember, if the number from here cannot divide, you must put a 0. So down here, there's double 0. 0 cannot divide, right? You got to put it up. Hey, who chonting this one? Don't chonting the screen. Lah. Once you chonting, you know what's going to happen. The rest also wants to chonting. Okay. Oh,
Teacher.
by mistake. Yeah, by mistake.
Teacher.
Yes, yes.
Can I take something?
Take. But now it's 7 o'clock already. We do one last question. Carry on. All right. We want you to find B. No. This one. Very fast one. BAC. Back. Come on, Sheikh Akil. Come on. Where are you? Let's check. Where is this guy? Sheikh Akil. Sheikh Akil, come on. Solve this one, Sheikh Akil. You can do it. You might win a prize.
Yeah.
Solve this one. I might win a prize.
Teacher.
Yeah. Length and breadth. No, they're asking for angle. They're asking what's the angle. This is not area.
It's 180, right?
Yeah, 180, yes.
180 minus 20, minus 90 minus 20.
Well done. What? Minus 70? Minus
90 minus 20.
29. Minus 29 minus 90. Correct.
So don't want 29, 20.
This one, 29.
Okay.
Okay, so
it's equal to 61.
61. Okay, well done. Correct. 61. Now be careful, okay? Look at what they're saying. If they give you something, it means they're asking you to find angle. This triangle here means angle. Okay, it doesn't mean some of you see a shark fin. Okay, but okay, doesn't matter. All right then. Thank you very much. You've been able to concentrate quite well today. Thank you very much. See you next week.
Who?
Yeah, all of you.
No.
Oh, you want to tell a story, is it? You want to tell a story, yeah? Okay, tell a story. Putra wants to tell a story. Okay, what's the story?
Really, it's just one Friday.
I think he was gonna laugh.
Once upon a time, right? Once upon a time, yeah. Monday, right? Last Monday, when the first day I want to go to school, right? I done already. Then I want to go out, right? And suddenly, walk into my I don't know, a girl or boy, but then this ran at my house.
A cat entered your house?
Yeah.
Wow. Then how? You take out the cat?
Then all of us scream.
Whose cat is that?
Huh? I don't know.
Don't know. Okay, I think
then
it
he hides near my sister's curtain, right?
And then?
Then my mother said take something, then push. And then suddenly the cat ran towards me.
And then what do you do?
Then the cat is just behind my leg. Then I can feel the heat. Then I fell down at the. I fell down at my sofa.
I see. Okay. All right. Okay, then we'll catch up again next week. Okay, take care. And maybe for those of you who if you get a cat inside your house, you can keep it. Oh, have not finished the story. Okay, what's the end of the story? Tell us.
Then after that, after the cat go out already, right? Then we want to wear our shoes.
And
Just
then
say the cat go inside again.
again, is this a real story?
It never go out. But then my mother quickly closed the door.
Okay, okay.
Then then I like move aside. Then the cat climb up my gate.
I see. Which floor are you living on? First floor? Ground
Huh?
floor? Are you living on ground floor?
No,
Which floor?
no.
Level 2. Okay. Okay. Well, next time, next time you can catch the cat. I think some of them. Naomi, you want a free cat, or some of them may want a cat. No, you can sell it to them or give it to them. Okay. Maybe Selina might want a cat also. All right then. Take care of yourself. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.